The valley floor of the region is higher than many coastal valleys in California, which enhances the temperate effect of the maritime climate. Temperatures decrease as elevation increases. Simply put, elevation moderates climate. When a typical summer day begins in the Bay Area, temperatures in the coastal valleys are usually similar to the ocean and bay temperatures. After the sun has been up for a few hours, the Central Valley warms up significantly, triggering the daily maritime breeze. As inland temperatures increase, the rising air causes atmospheric low pressure, pulling the colder air mass from above the ocean and bay across the Livermore Valley. Replacing the warm air of the Central Valley, this causes a cool down, or natural air conditioning. The daily temperature variation favors wine quality, due to the balance between vine photosynthesis during the day and respiration during the night. Livermore Valley grapes develop sugar, color, aroma, and flavor while maintaining natural acids, vital to a well-balanced wine.